What it do, YouTube, man? It's the boy Crunch Time, man. I'm back with another banger, man. So,
in 800 feet, turn right onto Loring Way.
Sorry about that. So, I'm actually gonna take my car right now.
Calculation.
All right, she talking too much.
In 600 feet.
Take my car to actually go get my quad tips put on, and I'm actually going to get my Super 10s put on. This right here should be exciting, man. Like I said, I've been waiting for a little deeper growl. I did the mid muffler delete. That wasn't doing it for me, so I'm just gonna cut the rezos off and put these Super 10s on with the quad tips, and hopefully I can turn some heads, man. So when I get to the body shop, I will actually let you guys see what they're doing to the car. All right, y'all. They're gonna look good with the quads on there, man. Oh yeah. All right, YouTube, man. So like I say, man, if you're ever inside of the DMV, come on over to High Flow Customs, man. You guys will get you right over here, man. See, they getting the car right, man. You guys will get you right. They take their time. They make sure your shit looking good. They actually get everything looking right before they even start doing anything, man. So like I said, if you're in Manassas, Virginia, or the DMV, come on up here to High Flow Customs, man. These guys will get you right, man. I'm telling you, boy. These guys will get you good, boy. Baby, man. Put some money in this thing. What I can tell you, man, they sound damn good, man. Them quad tips, man, look at them. They look good, man. Them things sound good, they look good. You know, set the whole car off, man. wasn't even trying to find staggered quad tips. I wasn't, man. I just happened to order them off Amazon, and the picture looked like they weren't staggered, and they turned out to be staggered. So just looking from here, they don't look bad. You know what I mean? You can't even tell, man. But I think anybody who owns an RT should put quad tips on it, because at first I was like, you know what, I like the sleek look or whatever, but you know, they look better, man. It actually does look better when you put those quad tips on the car. I don't know, man. Maybe I was just being old simp, and I was like, damn, man, I love the way they look. But once you put them quads on there, man, that growl, that bass, man, you get all that, man. You get all that when it comes down to that performance, that enhancement performance noise. You get all that, man. I advise anybody, man, to put those quads on there, man, and it'll definitely change the sound of your car, man. I'm telling you, boy, them things nice. Loud, but it's something I can deal with, you know what I mean? Because once you get up in speed, you don't really hear it no more. But when you're trying to accelerate, that's when you can really hear it. And when it's idling, man, it just has a nice, good growl to it, man. Nice, good growl to it. Sounds very good, man. Sounds very, very good. So, I say anybody who has an RT Challenger, man, if you want to make it sound a little bit louder, go ahead and just put the quad tips on it, man. You won't be disappointed. You won't be disappointed, not one bit, man. But at the end of the day, man, you make your car fit your style. Don't try to copy nobody's style. Don't be out trying to do the most and, you know, do everything for likes and all this other stuff, man. I do the things to my car because I love my car. And, you know, shit, can't nobody tell me nothing about my car. I pay for the motherfucker, man. You know what I'm saying? Sorry for the little kiddos probably watching the video, but I'm just being honest, man. It's my car and I love it, man. And do what you love to something that you love. You know what I'm saying? But, man, I think they sound awesome, man. I think they sound awesome, man. But like I say, man, that's going to be the end of the video. Please, please, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Do all 4 of those things for me, man. I'm on the road to 100 subscribers. I need more subscribers. If you like the video, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, man. I like honest opinions, man. And like I can say, man, I thank everybody for watching this video, whether you got 1 subscriber or 1,000. I appreciate you coming to my channel to watch my videos, man. I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed already. I want to thank you for subscribing to this video if you like this video. But I say please give this video a thumbs up, and I'm out.